Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to fill color in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I click Start using Photopea. Then we can go to New Project to create a new project, and I choose YouTube thumbnail and create a new project. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. Next, we can fill the color. For example, I fill the background. I select the background and then go to Edit and choose Fill. And we can fill to choose Custom and pick a color. For example, I pick light green and press OK. Press OK to fill with light green color. If you want to fill to selected area, for example, we can make selection. I will use rectangle select and select it. We can press Shift to select in square, and then we can choose the color. For example, I choose pink, light pink, and we can go to gradient tool. We can find pink bracket tool and click to fill the pink color. This is the second way. The third way, we can go to select. For example, I use ellipse select and click and drag to select in circle with press shift, and then we can go to layer, and then we can find new fill layer. We can fill pattern, gradient, or color. In this tutorial, I will choose fill color, and then we can pick another color. I pick yellow and press OK to fill in yellow. So we can find that the yellow color fill is a new adjustment layer. Actually, we can find the same option in adjustment and color fill here. So this is how we can fill color in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.